Okay, you are through to my biology class. We are still on mutation, types of mutation. Okay, so in a previous lesson, we were looking at gene mutation as one type of mutation. Then today we are actually finalizing the last one, which is chromosome mutation. So what is chromosome mutation? Chromosome mutation is a mutation that involves a change in chromosome number. Okay, a change in chromosome number. I'm pretty sure that you know the total number of chromosomes each organism should have, and that is 46. That is the normal one. Now, when you talk of this type of mutation, the numbers are going to be affected, the numbers of chromosomes. Okay. So usually the number of chromosomes reduces to 45 or increases to 47. Reduces or increases. That is under that type of mutation. Instead of having normal 46 chromosomes. So during this mutation, you would find that chromosomes, they are either 45 or 47, skipping the normal one, which is 46. Okay. So chromosome mutation often occurs during the formation of gametes. During the formation of what? Gametes. That's when the chromosomal mutation occurs. As a result, the sex cell lacks one chromosome or acquire an extra what? Chromosome. When a sex cell lacks one chromosome or acquire an extra what? Chromosomes, that's when the chromosome mutation occurs. When a sex cell form or from one parent has few chromosomes, such as 22 chromosomes, fuses with a sex cell from another parent with a normal chromosomes 23, because here, according to what we learned when we are looking at cell division, meiosis, we talked about this, okay, about chromosomes. Chromosomes, each parent carries 23 chromosomes. So when they come together, they actually come up with the total number of chromosomes, which is 46. Now, here is a scenario where this is a parent, either side, female or male. That particular parent has got 22 chromosomes. Now, fusing with a normal parent with the 23 what? Chromosomes. So when you sum them up, you are going to find that the number of chromosomes that particular offspring is going to have is 45 instead of 46. So same happens when one parent acquires an extra chromosomes. Instead of having 23, which is the normal one, that particular parent is having 24. So when that 24 fuses with the 23 chromosomes from the normal parent, the chromosomes will automatically be 47 instead of 46. So that is the permanent change that is occurring in that particular offspring. Okay, so this is what it is here. Such as two chromosomes fuses normal chromosome number, that is 23 chromosomes. The resulting offspring will have 45 chromosomes instead of 46. Then when a sex cell from one parent has an extra chromosome, okay, number, such as 24 chromosomes, fuses with a sex cell from another parent with a normal chromosome number, that is 23 chromosomes, the resulting offspring will have 47 chromosomes instead of 46. That is abnormal now. Okay. So now let us look at Down syndrome under chromosome mutation. So Down syndrome is one of the commonest chromosome mutations. So it is one of the what? Chromosomes mutation. Just like we were talking about gene mutation, which was sickle cell in the previous lesson, here now it is Down syndrome. So this one is caused when the number of chromosomes increases or decreases in an offspring. Okay, so Down syndrome is one of the commonest chromosome mutations. It is also called trisomy 21. So the other name for Down syndrome is trisomy 21. Don't get confused when you hear this biological term. Okay, they are talking about Down syndrome. So cells have 3 copies of chromosomes 21. Therefore, the total number of chromosomes becomes 47 instead of the normal 46 chromosome. Okay. It is usually caused by non-D junction. Non-D junction. It is usually caused by what? Non-D junction. This is the failure of chromosome to separate during what? Meiosis. During the female gamete formation, when it fails to separate, that is non-junction. What will be caused there is the chromosome mutation, where the particular offspring is going to have more chromosomes than the normal one. Okay. Offsprings with Down syndrome, what are they likely to suffer from? This is a disease on its own. Okay. Now, these offspring with Down syndrome have heart defects. They have heart defects, intellectual disability, and growth failure. So, 3 major things: heart defect, intellectual disability, and growth failure. Those are some of the symptoms, the signs, things that they suffer from, those with the Down syndrome. Okay, so thank you so very much for your attention. For we have now come to the end of our long topic, genetics. Today we have closed the chapter. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos in biology. Thank you once more.